Okay, good day inside the lane. So we have a brand new episode 7, coach. So we're talking here season and peak performance. Okay, so, Coach Micah, welcome to episode 7.
Thank you, Coach.
Okay, so my question, Coach Micah, so how do we unlock peak performance uh, going to the season end? Okay, yung pa-end na ng ano.
Okay, so if ano na siya, season ending, especially kung pinaghahandaan ng season calendars like you're going to pick on November, December, ano talaga siya. Number one is for you to be able to recognize your season and season planning through periodization. So yun yung una, Coach. Naka-ready dapat siya, naka-periodize from start of the year, ano yung naka-program, tapos ano yung sa middle, and then sa ending. And it will vary, of course, depende dun sa major na pinaghahandaan nung swimmer.
Yeah.
So that's one thing. It should be periodized properly or well programmed properly by the program director and head coach. So ayun.
Okay, thank you for that answer, Coach Micah. So my second question is there any secret sauce for that peak performance?
Okay, Coach. Parang ano yan, no? It's like a recipe.
Oh, yeah.
Secret sauce. Of course, some others will say no, some others will say yes. But definitely, for me, ayun, ito yung base sa data. Siyempre ako nagbe-base ako sa data on what's the data and the results. Of course, meron. And it will vary on the physiological characteristics of the swimmer and the program na ibibigay mo sa kanila. Of course, dun sa secret sauce na yun, it's not one size fits all. So, may kanya-kanya silang assignments. Ano yung dapat gawin? So, sa tamang period, magpipick sila or mamimit nila yung pinaghahandaan nila.